Good morning, traders. Michael Sabo here with RJO Futures, coming to you here on mid-Thursday morning here on July 19th. Let's get started here. Taking a look at the oil market here right now. We're looking at the September contract. Tomorrow, the August contract, last trade day. So we're going to start looking at September and focusing on that. Positive tone here. We're trading around 91.87 here. We're up about $1.70 here. Brent firmer also 106.95. We're up about $1.80 there. As always, give me a call. You want to talk about that WTI Brent spread? A lot of opportunity there. I think there's some good opportunities there right now. So give me a call. We can go into more detail on that. Looking at the nat gas. Nat gas yesterday had extremely firmer tone. We were rallying throughout the entire session. We were up at one point almost 20 cents. We backed off a little bit into the close. Today, a little bit of profit taking, I think, in that market. Seems to be a little resistance around that $3 area. Currently, we're trading around about $293.80, $294. We're off about 3 to 4 cents. We do have inventory numbers that are going to be coming out here in a little while. So give me a call if you want to talk about those inventory numbers or get put on that distribution list. Those DOE numbers, I can do that for you. Taking a look at the complex, firmer tone as well. RBOB 290.20. We're up almost $1.90 there. And the heat really taking off, 291.56. We're up about 383. So what's really driving energy prices here today? Well, let's take a look at it here. Right now, global markets. You got to see a green out there. They came in here. The Eurozone is voting. Actually, Germans are voting on the bailout package for Spain's alien banks. But it looks like they've put together a plan, if you will, to rescue, Spain's banking situation. The Fed, looking at his comments here over the last couple of days, once again, obviously committed to doing whatever it takes to support the economy, to try to help spur jobs. So putting that rhetoric out there, and of course that's aiding, our own U.S. equities markets and help pushing them higher. But the reality of it is, though, is that the dollar, we are seeing the dollar weaken here today also, and as we know, additional stimulus measures are generally going to weaken the dollar. And if you look at what that type of impact that has on not just commodities, but also on stocks, that's usually, it helps to inflate those prices. So we're also in the middle of earnings seasons there as well. But nonetheless here, you've got a real positive macro tone going on. As I mentioned here, the weaker dollar certainly helping out commodities in general. Crude hitting a 2-month high in there. And then we've got geopolitical. Take a look. Front page here, Wall Street Journal, top 2 articles. Bomb strikes, Syria leaders intercircled. Israel blaming Iran for the deadly blasts there in Bulgaria. So basically, what does that mean? Well, you got problems going on, as always, in the Middle East. And so those geopolitical events are certainly front and center and helping, fuel the bullish speculation in that market. Taking a look at the technicals, look at the last several sessions, higher highs, higher lows. As I've been, putting in these posts here, I was targeting that 88 to 92 area, really looking for that 90 print. Well, we've seen that. We're starting to get to the upper range of that, as we're trading around that 91.5 area. So I think what traders want to look for now is, as we're approaching this 92 area, the market is short-term. Technically, we are looking at some overbought situations. So would I sell right into it right here, right now? No, I'd be a little bit cautious about that. If we break this 92, next target, we could be looking at 95. But I think for traders that are looking for a way to take advantage of a potential downward move in that market, give me a call. I've outlined, put together an option strategy that we can look to play on the downside. Nonetheless, that market still seems to be in a bull market. The bulls are in control, so you bears, you got to be real careful. Definitely want to have solid risk management play in place if you're going to look at doing anything on the short side in that market. Give me a call. You'd like to talk a little bit more. The number to the trade desk, 1-800-367-7290. And of course, remember that futures trading does involve substantial amount of risk, and it may not be suitable for all traders. Good luck and good trading.